The universe is vast and boundless, yet what we can see is just the tip of the iceberg. Hidden within this infinite darkness are two mysterious forces that cannot be seen or touched but profoundly shape every corner of the cosmos. These are dark matter and dark energy. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the most enigmatic aspects of our universe. What exactly is dark matter? Though we cannot see it, it is everywhere. How did scientists discover it? While observing galaxies, they noticed something peculiar. The stars on the outer edges of galaxies were spinning much faster than expected. Visible matter alone could not account for the gravitational pull required to sustain these speeds. It's like a fast spinning wheel, with the outer parts propelled as if by an invisible hand. That invisible hand is dark matter, shaping galaxies with its gravitational force. Yet, our understanding of dark matter remains limited. It does not emit, absorb, or interact with light in any visible way. So how do we know it exists? By observing its gravitational effects on the surrounding environment, we have confirmed its reality. In fact, dark matter is estimated to make up 27% of the universe's total mass, 5 times more than visible matter. If dark matter is the glue holding the structure of the universe together, dark energy is the force tearing it apart. In 1998, scientists observing distant supernovae made an unexpected discovery. The expansion of the universe is accelerating. The force driving this accelerated expansion is called dark energy, and it constitutes 68% of the universe, becoming the dominant factor shaping its fate. The presence of dark energy casts a mysterious shadow over the universe's future. If dark energy continues to dominate, the universe might face one of two extreme endings: the Big Freeze or the Big Rip. In the Big Freeze, the universe's expansion will stretch galaxies farther apart until all stars burn out, leaving a cold, lifeless void. In the Big Rip, dark energy could grow so powerful that it tears apart galaxies, stars, and even atoms themselves. Dark matter and dark energy are the invisible pillars of our universe, shaping its past, present, and future. While they remain unsolved mysteries, we have taken the first steps toward understanding them. Perhaps one day we'll uncover their secrets. So, what do you think dark matter and dark energy are? Share your thoughts in the comments and let's unlock the mysteries of the cosmos together.